Eries Interactive Smart Whiteboard. Gray and black two-tone design, stylish texture. Equipped with a 48-megapixel camera and 8-array microphone. Magnetic pen slot design. Front full-channel rich interface. Carefully polish the details to create industry-leading products. Dual speaker system brings you powerful sound effects. Humanized UI, quick access to applications. More convenient navigation of the floating secondary menu. Floating ball tool, easy to operate, and customizable options. Double-sided sidebar with built-in rich modules, back, home, cache cleanup, annotation, signal source, toolbox. Open the toolbox and you can use the tools inside at any time. Signal source switching, fast switching of dual systems. You can also switch via the floating ball. Built-in electronic manual, you can easily master the operating skills from here. Pre-installed system optimization software, you can use it to monitor the device status, uninstall software, and perform system optimization, etc. Super Assistant tool, built-in commonly used practical tools to help you operate more efficiently. Welcome page, built-in rich themes, you can also customize the page. For more functions and personalized settings, you can adjust them through the settings page, such as network, theme, gesture operation, etc. 4K resolution, high color gamut screen, high definition and delicate picture. The whiteboard background can be changed to different colors and styles through the menu settings. The functions of the bar at the bottom of the whiteboard include pen settings, eraser, toolbox, inserting multimedia files or tools, forward, backward, selection, single-point, multi-point writing switching, etc. The functions on both sides of the bottom bar can be switched to reduce walking. You can also add pages at will. Smooth writing and pen following. Support dual color pen mode. One pen can write content in different colors and handwritings. Text recognition, graphic recognition, and pattern recognition functions can all be achieved through brush settings. Supports up to 4 columns of writing, allowing multiple people to create at the same time. Millimeter level high precision multi-point writing. After writing is completed, a QR code can be generated and the mobile phone can scan the QR code to quickly transfer it to the mobile phone. Click to open the screen projection interface, which supports screen projection on mobile phones, laptops, and other devices. Scan the QR code to cast the screen with your phone. The screen will be synchronized smoothly without any lag. You can also use the screen projection software to project videos, pictures, or files on your phone to the big screen. The mobile phone can also be used as a video booth to project the camera image onto the screen. Through the screen projection software, the mobile phone can also be used as a mouse or remote control to operate the large screen. Click the annotation tool in the sidebar to enter the annotation mode. You can use different colors and strokes to highlight key points. Modifications can be easily erased with an eraser. After the annotation is completed, click to generate a QR code and scan it to send it to your mobile phone. 3 fingers summon the floating ball without moving. 5 fingers can turn the screen off or on, efficient and practical.